Today is Monday, March 30th. This is the 1969 Cadillac DeVille convertible in-dash climate controller. This unit works in tandem with the power servo unit. Both units are from my friend Don in Naples, Florida. And this unit was completely disassembled as shown in the predecessor video. This is the fully assembled final embodiment. The unit was completely disassembled all the way down to the final screw. The multi-port manifold was precision lapped to a 2 micro finish. The primary board was repaired and the conductor replaced, as well as the primary feed wire restored and replaced for about half the length. Okay, obviously there was a short in the car. There may continue to exist a short in the car, so Don, you're going to have your installer do a complete check on the electricals in the vehicle, because we had a fault arcing situation on the circuit board right there, which has been fully repaired, and the unit has been tested under power and inside the car. So this unit is going to my friend Don in Naples. Absolutely beautiful. This, in addition to the power servo unit, because both units work in tandem with each other as they share an electrical circuit as well as a vacuum circuit. Okay, we can see how the actuation does the redirect of the multi-port manifold upon running all the different iterations and cycles. Okay, so today is March 30th. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, March 30th. This is Eldorado George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.